Hello, it's Tim again. And who says it doesn't rain in Southern California? It's raining an opportunity because we're at my new listing at 20 Leucadia in Northpark Square in the city of Irvine. You're gonna love this property. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, has like a little loft media room, 2-car attached garage, and the community amenities are unbelievable. Great pool, clubhouse, basketball court. This is a great area, a tot lot even. You're gonna love it. Take a look at this video, give us a call. Take care, bye.